pause the video, put on a face mask, relax, and just enjoy. So. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 6 of July 2019 box week, and today we're going to be opening up our Facetory subscription box. So if you are brand new to my YouTube channel and you like what you see today, make sure you click the red subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, comment if you like this video, let me know. Also, today is our face mask and chill, so if you have never been visited before, basically what I ask you to do is pause the video, put on a face mask, relax, and just enjoy. So I'm going to be putting this mask into our stockpile giveaway. I found these like at, I think it's TJ Maxx or Marshall's. It's this like face mask that's got like a tea bag in it that you put in here, and I guess it like does something, and I felt like it was really cool, so I got like a couple of these, so I'm putting this in the stockpile giveaway, which that video telling you how to win that will actually be going up within the next couple of days. And then I'm actually going to put on the Tula Skincare Major Glow Mask. I think we got this in one of our boxes last month, and so I'm going to be trying this out today to see how I like it. Tula's been coming out with a lot of face masks recently. Like, I'm thinking that they're really trying to kind of make a little bit of a name for themselves like in the skincare market, because I know before they had like a lot of like products for, oh, it's a two-piece. I love two-piece masks. Does it go this way or this way? I think it goes this way. They were making a name for themselves like for having like a lot of like actual just skincare products, but recently they've really been like stepping up their game in regards to having products for, you know, like face masks and all that, which I feel like honestly one of the smartest things companies can do is make really good quality face masks, because face masks people love purchasing. They're really popular right now. The other side of it is buying a face mask is a lot less of a commitment than spending like $60 to $80 on a skincare product that you don't really know a lot about and you're not sure of yet. Does that make sense? Okay. Oh, it's a two-piece. I love these kinds of masks. It's nice and like cool on my face. It feels really good. Alrighty. So let's get into Facetory. Facetory is a monthly face mask subscription box. They have a couple different options. They actually have a few different options now, but mainly if you want to do just masks, they have like what they call like the basic mask pack, and then they have the luxury. The basic comes with 4 masks. It ends up being about $10 per month, and then the luxury, which is this one right here, this one is like $20 a month after like shipping, handling, and all of that. So you get 7 Korean beauty masks. It's really, really cool. I personally love it. It's like one of my most favorite masks. I feel like it is one of the best curated mask boxes out there, as well as like one of the best curated subscription boxes, period. All right, so on the top, it has a little, you had me at Aloha, and they've been giving out these little like postcards every month, which I feel like is actually a really cute idea. It's just like, I think it'd be really fun for somebody to get a little postcard in the mail, as well as like the postcards are always super duper cute. On the top we have some nice teal tissue paper, and getting into it. So one of the things I love about these boxes is they have this little card in here, and it tells you about all of the masks. It tells you about all of the like ingredients, the properties, what's good about it, as well as it tells you how to use it, because they give you some that are like multi-step masks. And the other thing to remember is that these are Korean beauty, so a lot of these masks like aren't actually in English, so you can actually find out what's good about it, what do I use it for. So these are really useful to have. So the very first mask we have is Mineral Mask from Justlikedrew, and let's see here. This is a skin-friendly mask that is supposed to help you feel moisturized and calmed, and a super soft sheet mask that is infused with skin calming ingredients that will aid in hydration and moisture. We thought this was a perfect mask to restore our skin after a hot day. It's infused with beta-glucan ferment and copper tripartite 1 anti-irritating and anti-inflammatory ingredients that have soothing and anti-aging properties to help boost hydration and diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I think that's really awesome, because, you know, the thing that people don't realize is like anti-inflammatory, that is actually a really, really great thing to have in a mask, because like there's days where like your face is just like a little bit puffy or swollen. You're like, dude, what do I do about this? So this is great for that. All right, next we have Daily Green Mask. It's a cactus mask from Yada. So I think I've actually seen this one somewhere before and like considered it. Like I've been seeing cactus masks everywhere, so I'm actually really excited about this because I've been like, okay, what's the deal? Like suddenly, like you notice how they'll have like, there's like the avocado kick and there's the coconut oil kick, and now it's like cactus is everywhere. So it says this one, a vegan certified sheet mask paired with an eco-friendly bamboo sheet. Yes, please leave it on. Leave it to this mask to give your skin quick hydration for a luminous and soft and smooth appearance. So I think that's really awesome. It says you should use it when you're ready for your skin to look renewed and refreshed. Also, like they tell you, like when should you use this? So like if you're thinking like, you know, my skin, I know what I want it to do, but I don't really know what I need. They tell you how to do that. All right, next we have the 7 Days Mask Coconut Balancing. This is a 2-part mask. So it looks like there's a pad up here that you put on your face first, and then this one is the coconut mask. Don't leave your skin hanging. This 2-step mask will hydrate and balance your skin for a healthy glow. Smooth and velvety skin is in your near future with this. Relax and apply. When to use. After a day of enjoying sun, apply the sheet mask to help your skin relax and absorb some skin reviving moisture. So that's the 7-day mask. These are ones I've also seen, like this brand. I found these at TJ Maxx before, so just keep your eyes out if you see them. Next we have the White Silk Up Al Molu Bubble Essence Mask. All right, so this is a whitening, elastic, and hydrating bubble mask. And a brightening and hydrating bubble mask sheet where you don't have to wash off the bubbles. Okay, so use this before a fun picnic outing under the sunshine. So that's really cool. They tell you like this one's one you want to do before you go out into the sun. It's going to be really nice for like, I think the biggest thing with bubble masks is often like they really help to like open up your pores and like kind of cleanse things out. But this is when you don't have to rinse off. So it's when you can actually rub everything in. So I feel like that's always really cool. The next one we have is Rest for Stress Skin and Soul. It's number 17B Derma. Alright, so this is the Pibu Wang mask. It's a rest mask, a vegan certified sheet mask that contains 17 non-irritating ingredients to help soothe, calm, and moisturize your skin while strengthening the skin barrier. Use this on one of those days when one of those days happen and you just want to relax and pamper yourself. Burn a candle, sit on your couch, and apply this mask. It's a relaxing summer night. All right, so this one is just for like stressed skin, and they say and your soul. So it's a really nice relaxing mask. Next we have is Miss Young Curry Silk Mask. So we actually got the Miss Young, I think it was wasn't it the wasabi mask? So this one's a curry silk mask, and I really liked the Miss Young mask we got last time. This sheet mask contains 80% silk for a soft feel, and it is infused with 7 different yellow ingredients to deliver nutrients and hydration. Use this after a cool summer night looking up at the stars. Apply the sheet mask to feel even more relaxed and tranquil. Okay, so that's really cool. And then the next one we have is Liagen Ryoi Mask Nourishing Care Red Ginseng, which is right there. A ginseng infused sheet mask that will help nourish your skin and leave it feeling smooth. Use this when you want to feel and look like royalty. So, alrighty, that's that there. So I will say, I noticed this month there was no mask from the actual Facetory brand. So Facetory started actually coming out with their own sheet mask recently, their house brand, and there wasn't one in here this month. So this is the first month I've noticed in like a really long time that they did not include a mask from their like home brand. Alrighty, so to recap, we got the mineral mask from Justlikedrew right here. We got the daily green mask from Yada, and we got the 7 Days Mask Coconut Balancing right there. We got the White Silk Up Mask Bubble Essence, and we got the 17V Derma Vegan Friendly Mask, which is like a really good, what was this one for? Stressed skin and soul. And then we got the Miss Young Curry Silk Mask, and we got the Liagen Ryoi Nourishing Care Mask. So, everything we got in our box. I'm gonna take this off and see where we're at with my skin. Alright, yeah, I definitely feel like my skin is like glowing and looks super hydrated and plumped up. So, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, both the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. And I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Bye. Here, there you go. Josh is gonna probably like these, I can tell. He likes beef jerky stuff. He loves trying the box. Like we leave stuff in the box for him to try after. He loves it.
It's chewy and good actually.